how to install Kali 2020.2 in a VMware Workstation. First of all, you have to go to kali.org and click on download, and then download Kali Linux, and then I'm gonna find the one we need. We need 64-bit VMware. So click on that, offensive security, VM download page. It'll take you to a different page. There we go. And 64-bit, click on that, and download will start. It might take some time depending on your internet connection. So I'll fast forward from here and come back when it's ready. Once the download is done, go open up your VMware Workstation. And click on open a virtual machine and select the file. So what I'm gonna do is edit the machine settings and increase the RAM size. And then click power on the virtual machine. I copied it, so that's what I'm gonna click. And then from here it is very simple process, and some reason it was a fast installation Kali Linux I ever had. Put your username, Kali, and the password. And there we go, guys. Have fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Stay tuned. Peace.